What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Lady Unique, or you can call me Boss Lady. It's a vlog host.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Now, I told y'all I'm on my consistent game up over here. I'm trying to push out a video every single day. And the only way I can do that is by coming up here giving y'all some vlogs, okay? And I'm going to be my true authentic self while doing so. That's how I make this bag, ho. Let me try to figure out my to-do list. So I got up at 5 o'clock this morning. And I already changed my personal TikTok back to my business TikTok. Because, y'all, we dropping a new collection in February.
And I need to get rid of the old collection
Before I, launch the new collection. Or at least try to get rid of most of it. You see my hair? That's on the to-do list. I got this botana. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Botana oil stuff in my hair from last night. So I gotta wash my hair. That's on the to-do list. Now, what I need to do is film some content. I have about 8 videos that I need to do, but I think for now I'm only gonna record them. We might cook together or something like that, maybe. I really need to clean up, honestly. Y'all, I've been low-key stressed out because I have been weighing out if I'm ready to go to Dallas or not. So my place look a mess because I started packing and everything. I just started really making good money, right? And I don't want to jump out the window and start paying all this high-ass rent. God forbid if something happened. Not saying we manifested a good life. But I'm just like real cautious, and I don't know why I'm so nervous, y'all, about moving to Dallas. So I've been kind of trying to figure out my options, right? I'm a whole manifester. I do vision boards and the whole 9 yards. On my vision board for 2025, I did go ahead and put Dallas on there. So a part of me putting it on the vision board, you can't just write the vision board and expect it to happen. You got to put action behind it. So my action was to start packing. And that's why I saved all them boxes right there. I just had a whole meltdown. Y'all, not really a meltdown. I don't know if it's... I think it's excitement. Oh, God. Well, I said I was going to put y'all in my business and let y'all see my everyday life. And this is a real part of me. And even at 48, I still be fucking crying. So I got emotional because I started my YouTube channel in 2012. I started vlogging before vlogging was a thing. I had to remove negative people from out of my life because the vision is not there, so they're not going to get it. So I just say that to say that I started in 2012, and here is a whole 13 years later, and I'm finally doing it. And I'm going hard, y'all. This is the real life, y'all. All right, let's make this coffee, bitch.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you?
I was telling y'all I was going to show y'all. It's the botana oil, the raw botana oil. 100% raw botana oil. Menopause tore my hair up. It was menopause, and then I put a relaxer in my hair during the midst of all the chaos with my hair. Yeah, I did it to myself. It started shedding with menopause, right? And then I had finally started growing it back. I had finally got it to stop breaking out. So I was like, oh, okay, now I can put a relaxer in this bitch. Why did I do that? All of this fell out completely. Y'all will have to go over to TikTok to see those videos because I think I deleted them out my phone. But anyway, my point was, hold on, get your lighting together if you're going to be doing YouTube. All right, y'all about to go right here on this tripod, on this ring light while I set up the tripod for TikTok.
Yeah.
Nothing else, I'm gonna get fly for the TikTok shop. You hear me? Chic Me 3-piece set, super cute. I wish I would have got the shirt a little bigger. Y'all know I got cassava melons. The pants are a little bit high water, so it's not tall girl friendly. That's why I threw on the Uggs. The crocodile, I know last time I think I called it alligator, but it's the crocodile bag, that infamous crocodile bag that I posted about 1,000 times because I got 3 colors. The Reflectique sunglasses, super cute, sturdy, not cheap, okay? I'm talking about the lab all day, but I ain't show y'all the lab. So let me show y'all the lab. But this is my boutique, y'all. Y'all notice that wall because that's the background of my pictures. And that's the hats. The lab still got products to sell. So I'm gonna get into this box, y'all. Down in this box is a shitload of products that I need to sell. And then in that closet right there that I showed y'all earlier is some more products that I need to sell. So we're gonna get into this later or in another video. I'm trying to test out the stabilizer. It look like we good. Are we good? Is it steady? All right, y'all. So my checklist is pretty much done for today. The only thing left that I'm gonna do is cook for y'all. But I did want to come on and talk to y'all about getting into this YouTube bag. Now, yesterday I posted a video saying how I was gonna give this a full 60 days and try to get monetized in 60 days. So with getting monetized in 60 days, I need to not only have 1,000 subscribers, but I need 4,000 watch hours. I have about 6 or 7 videos that are private. I'm gonna see how these videos do on their own. If I need to, I will go ahead and unprivate the old videos to add to the watch hours. Because if you private videos or unlist videos on here, it takes away from your watch time and your views. Because I had, when I started, before I private all the videos, it was like 3,000 or 4,000 views. Now it's like only 1,000 because the other videos are private. But that's it, y'all. So we'll go ahead and charge up this phone. Put the gimbal back on the charger. Let me know if it's stabilizing. I hope it is. And I'm using my left hand. Who we think we is? There go the right hand. Back on the charger. Let my hair dry so I can take this cap off. My edges are finally growing back. All right, y'all, let's get in this kitchen. I really don't feel like cooking. I'm tired as hell. But this video is not long enough. So we cooking. So I was editing, I realized that I lost a clip of me making the salmon fried rice. So y'all don't get to see the whole process, y'all, but trial and error. Trial and error. That's how it looked after I made my plate. The damn clip got deleted of me making my plate. I don't know how I lost the footage of me making my plate, but I already put a dent in the food. It came out good. I was telling y'all that I didn't even put my bean sprouts in here or any peas and carrots, and it still came out bomb. One thing about it with this YouTube, I've been getting tried all day. But this has been happening for years. Every time I try to come on here and start vlogging and really taking YouTube seriously, stuff be happening that be discouraging me. But I'm not quitting, y'all. So somebody out there is gonna appreciate my content. And I'm pushing this shit out every day. So YouTube is gonna push out my content. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you comment, like, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.